Calling all kraang. Message to all kraang. Tonight we're gonna draw the ultimate leader from Dimension X, Kraang Prime. The leader of the entire Kraang Empire from Dimension X. You guys' first debut appearance on Season 1 finale. And I'll never forget that fight. After the Technodrome appeared and almost destroyed Earth. And by destroyed, I meant mutated Earth. Turning it into another Dimension X. Who does that, man? He first revealed himself as merged with the Technodrome, but turns out he had his own mechanical suit. There's the upper half. Now let's draw the rest of his android body. This is going to be easier than I thought. Here's Kraang Prime's android body. Now we draw the rest of him. There we go. Now we draw this part here. His tentacles. It was him that discovered mutagen and turned Earth into what it is now. By the way, Kraang Prime, this guy speaks in pure, perfect English. Now his android upper half. We draw his android skull, which can be swapped out with a mutagen canister. Done with that. The big time. Got that. Got that. And finished. That is a draw Kraang Prime. That's all for now. Make sure you like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And check out which Ninja Turtle mutant you want me to draw next. Until next time, Stegosaurus, see you later. And also, let the planetary mutation begin. For the Kraang forming of your home is about to begin!